gonna do a new video of plus FNAF plushies because I didn't have enough storage, so I'm gonna look for videos to delete. Okay, it's a makeship tier list. Now, see that makeship ad right here? Yeah. We're gonna start with Dummy Danny. Love this plushie. Going straight to an S. Oh my god, I just lost him. Shoot you. Shoot you, Charles. Ness. This guy, probably a C or a B because he's expensive. He could get dirty and he is a blank, but he's still a good plushie. Probably. God, this thing. Him, he's good. This thing. I know how to do it. So, Jowl. A. Probably Ness. Okay, this guy. To Ness. This thing. Okay, S so far. C. He just the fabric wasn't good. I saw videos of. Cable Core, I love this plushie. I love the Zaldi plush too. Oh. This thing, for some reason, he's the least, one of the least funded ones for some reason, even though he's the best one they ever made. Of Balloons TD Battle, Quincy. Okay. I don't want to be rude, but these ones, all these. Well, the names too are bad. This guy, I like him. I'm putting in A. Zogling in B, because Adelaide in S. Dope Monkey, B. Tricky, I don't know, a D maybe. Skeleton Clown, yes. Wait. Chef Monkey, S. The hands a little off. He's holding his belly. This guy is huge. But I like that plush. The whole choice. Oh. Those are lost and found people. He's going to be with him. Yeah, that's all. I was gonna do that video right now. Yeah. Because I didn't have enough storage, I'm gonna look for videos to delete. See you in another video. Yeah.